Good morning. Yeah, today I'm featuring some a model powertrain. It's the only train I have, and this is the boxes that it came in. Looks like I put that carriage in upside down, but there's the brand. Brass wheels, full interior, detailed bottom, blueprint accurate. Not bad. And that's one of the carriages. This one's in its box because it keeps derailing it. It's really annoying me, so yeah, it's sitting out today's episode. And these are the other boxes holding the carriages. Featuring the locos that you could buy. I'll just go in there a bit closer. That old time Fatboy is what I'm showing today, but a different livery. And a shifted Nintendo for it, an F3, a Pacific, a GP9. Very nice. Anyway, this is my 040 Fatboy with 2 period carriages, and I'll kick her off. Not a bad little ride. Just increase the speed. There we go, we'll just pull her up. It's nothing to write home about as a model, except that it's quite colourful, probably attractive to children. The Denver and the Rio Grande Western livery. This loco apparently burnt timber. And these are the carriages. These are pristine. I don't think anyone's ever used them. The box has very little wear, so there's not a nick on them, as they say. We have a saying down here in Australia when something is no longer its tits up in a ditch, which means you're dead in a hole, which is what model power now is. It's just advertised, well, yesterday or today, that it's no longer, it's out of business. I thought Lionel had bought this company back in 2018. Maybe they've cannibalised what they want. And yeah, putting it to death. So it's all over for model power. For a company that started, I think it's New Jersey, back in 1970. Someone, I did read his name, the guy that started at Tager, T-A-J-E-R, Michael Tager it might have been. Yeah, he kicked it off in 1970, which is kind of like when model trains had reached their zenith. But they've struggled on for 50 odd years, so not bad going. And So there we have another model train manufacturer consigned to the annals of history, as we say adios. Goodbye model power. Hooroo. Have a good one.